So I thought I'd bring you into this radio studio in West London. They've had a few problems with this switch here, which switches between 4 CD players, or the output of Trakctor, or the output of Serato. So basically it's an 8-pole 3-position switch with all the phono cables wired there. Let me get a better view. So as you can see, some poor soul has had to solder all these on by hand, and unfortunately the weight of the wire is starting to pull the wires from the switch, and no one quite knows where they go exactly. Yeah, I really don't envy whoever had to do this, because they even had to solder all the earths together. Incredible. So my plan was to create a PCB where we could mount the switch into it using solid core wires. This would give it a very firm foundation. And then we can solder all the phono cables to the PCB, and I've left holes there to use cable ties to mount it securely. So the first thing I'm going to do is just literally cut all these wires off the switch. Now I'm just going to trim all the wires and prepare them for soldering onto the PCB. And then we'll just trace all the wires back and make sure they go to the right place on the PCB. So there we have it. One switch and one hell of a lot of cables. But looking quite good. I think we can be pretty sure none of those wires will come off now. So there we go, we've got that all into this front panel fascia thing, so excellent. And that's one down. Now there's another studio to do as well. Catch you next time.